In this video I want to show you how to set which GPU has priority for which application in Windows 10. For example, if you have a laptop with two GPUs, one is integrated into the CPU and the other is an optional one, for example AMD. The integrated GPU is less powerful than the additional GPU. That's why we want to assign the AMD GPU for games or the integrated GPU to OBS Studio, as shown in this case, because OBS Studio works with the integrated GPU. If I assign the AMD GPU to OBS Studio, I'll get only a black screen. That's why we will give the OBS Studio the integrated GPU. The first thing we need to know is that Microsoft added this capability to Windows 10 with the April 2018 update. Make sure you have that update. So let's get started. First click on Start menu, then Settings. Next I choose System, then the Display Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on the Graphics Settings. I click on Browse Apps and navigate to the installation folder where the desired application is located. More precisely, I'm looking for the exe file. In my case, it's on C, Program Files, OBS Studio, bin, 46-bit, and it contains the obs46.exe. I click Add and the application appears just below the Browse button. I click on the application and then on Options. A new window opens and three options to choose from. The first is System Default, which we are not currently interested in. The second is Power Saving. It consumes less power because it uses a weaker GPU. And the third one is High Performance. So it's actually the more powerful GPU you will choose if it was a game in which the system did not automatically assign the more powerful GPU. And in our case, we will choose the second option, which is Power Saving. And I click Save, and that's it. Now OBS Studio works again. And this was a video on how to assign a GPU to a specific application on Windows 10. If you liked the video, like it. If not, then don't. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell to get notified when there is a new video on the channel. Happyake is also present on other social networks. Links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.